The RK84 is a great budget mechanical keyboard with 3 connectivity options: 2.4 GHz via dongle, Bluetooth up to 3 devices, and wired connection. But it has a big design flaw in my opinion. In order to switch between dongle and Bluetooth, you have to toggle the switch at the bottom of the board, and most of the time I would accidentally turn off the board as the power switch is beside the connectivity switch. So most of the time, I flip it or just use the keyboard on the iPad. I know, it's a me problem, but here's how I solved it. First, I need to disassemble the board to get to the switch at the back. I just bought this drill, so I had to use it. First, I mark the original orientation of the switch, so maybe I can put it back the same way, I guess. I'm just figuring it out as I go, as I have minimal knowledge on this stuff. Like the soldering the switch, I accidentally pulled the pads, but I managed to fix it by exposing a contact area by scratching the paint off. Then soldered wires to the exposed contact points. I used Ethernet wire here. Surprisingly, it still works, but I kinda messed up the switch while desoldering as it fell apart while positioning it. So I stole a switch from my automation server, and I messed that up too, so I yeeted it away and ordered some new switches. As I wait for that, I drilled holes for the wires. The replacement switches arrived, and they look like switches from an airplane. Naturally, I 3D printed this cover to match it. Then, plugged in the wires to the switch. Assemble it, then completely forget about this cable, then disassemble it and assemble it again. It was like 4 AM, okay? So here it is in action. Surprisingly, it worked flawlessly. How would you have done it?